To refill your T-Mobile prepaid account online or via the app, log in with your phone number or account credentials at tmobile.com/prepaid or the T-Mobile app. Select a refill amount to add funds for minutes, data, and texts based on your plan. Pay instantly using integrated digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal, or use a credit debit card or bank transfer. For added security, enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. Note that a new auto refill feature is active as of 2025, which uses AI to predict usage patterns and automatically top up balances based on preferences, reducing the risk of service interruptions. Refill cards are available at retailers like Walmart and CVS. However, the current trend is shifting more towards digital methods, making this a less common option. If you have a refill card, scratch off the PIN on the back. Then, log into your T-Mobile account via the website or app. Enter the PIN to redeem the value of the card. Funds should post to your account within minutes. Keep in mind that digital receipts are encouraged to minimize paper waste. Make sure that you are aware of promotions, like 10% bonus data for online refills, that are active to drive adoption of digital methods.